Modify and apply limits.conf without reboot. I have added a line in /etc/security/limits.conf to increase the number of open files. However, when I run ulimit n, it says 1024, which is the default value. I did a logout and login but still see 1024. How can I apply the change?
If you're using bash, ulimit n will only display the soft limit. To get the hard limit, you need to do ulimit hn. On my system, I see this.
Changes made by ulimit command will be applied immediately without reboot for new processes. Also, permit command from util Linux package on Debian can be used to check or modify limit value for current shell. Limits can be configured per process. You can check it using. For modifying the limit is syntax as following. Set maximum number of opened files for process 4561. In order to make such changes permanent, you have to modify /etc/security/limits.conf by adding your limits. However, wildcard won't apply for root user. In order to do so, you have to state it explicitly. These limits will be applied after creating a new session, of course after reboot. Switch to another user using su or login via SSH and check the updated limits. Note: usually some service is running out of resources. Be sure to check limits also on process level. Having largest possible value for root user is not a solution. If value configured in /etc/security/limits.conf is too large, not supported on your kernel, the default value will be used instead. On systemd systems there are /etc/systemd/user.conf, /etc/systemd/user.conference.d/.conference. For user-specific values, config where limits per user can be overridden. Also there, /etc/systemd/system.conference for system-wide configuration. Some older distributions had issues with applying limits immediately, where modifying /etc/pan.d/common session or /etc/pan.d/login would help. This is usually not necessary. Make sure to check /var/log/auth.log first when you're having issues with applying limits.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.